कहाँ से आया पता तेरे को? कस्टम ऑफिसर का बेटा है वो, पॉलिटिशियन है उसका बाप। तू क्या औकात है?
आपने तो ये वीडियो देखा ही होगा which is circulating over the internet for past 2-3 days now, and every time I see this video it boils my blood from the core. And I am a northeastern girl and I'm really proud of it. It's nothing wrong in working in a parlor. I don't think there is anything wrong in working in massage parlor. It's also a profession. Auntie, Didi, what is wrong in that profession? If you see in the clips, she has also said so many बहुत गंदी गंदी बातें that you know we cannot even think about it, कि इतने नीचे तक कौन कैसे सोच सकता है. It may have started from a very neighborly small fight just because of an AC installation, but this went on to another level, and this just shows the level of hatred this non-northeastern people has for us, for northeastern people, for no reason. This silent hate that this couple had for this students, for this innocent students, was clearly shown. And I think like this was just an excuse to express their hatred. And वेरी गुड आप लोगों ने जो भी किया बहुत अच्छा किया. अब पूरा दुनिया देख रहा है कि क्या किया आप लोगों ने. मैनी पीपल आर देयर हु आर जस्ट लाइक यू, एंड आई होप this becomes a great example for all these people, uneducated or maybe educated gawars, कि ऐसे हो रहा है कि दुनिया में उनको सबक मिले. और क्या बोलते हैं ना, वीडियो में ऐसे भी बोलता है कि कस्टम ऑफिसर का बेटा है, दिस दैट एंड ऑल. भाई कैसे पॉलिटिशियन हो? पॉलिटिशियन का बेटा ऐसा है, ये सब सिखाया है आपके मम्मी पापा ने? अगर ऐसा ही है देन प्लीज़ वी डोंट नीड पॉलिटिशियंस लाइक दिस. वी डोंट नीड पॉलिटिशियंस ऐसे वाले और उनके बच्चे ऐसे वाले कि हु आर सेटिंग वेरी रॉन्ग एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर दी स्टेट, फॉर देयर कंट्री. एंड ऑल्सो क्लिप में ऐसे भी बोला जाता है कि 35 के बुढ़े होंगे हमारे यहाँ, हमारे जगह में, बिकॉज पीपल आर ड्रग एडिक्ट्स हियर. हाँ, ड्रग एडिक्ट्स, पीपल आर ड्रग एडिक्ट्स हियर. आइए आके देख लीजिए कहाँ पे ड्रग एडिक्ट्स है. यहाँ पे लोग इतना फ्रेश खाना खाते हैं. वी ब्रीथ फ्रेश एयर, वी ईट फ्रेश फूड, अनलाइक यू गाइज हु ईट ऑल द जंक फूड, पैकेज्ड फूड, एंड पीपल आर ओबीस, अनहेल्दी. People from North India and from different parts of India come to Northeast because it's very clean, serene, beautiful, it's pollution free, and आप लोग आके हमारा Northeast गंदा करके जाते हैं. And whenever you come here, we are absolutely so polite, so humble, and हम अपना भाषा छोड़ के आपके भाषा में बात करते to make you guys comfortable. We are not like in our place, we don't glorify dowry. Honor killing is not here. Here women are not pushed or cornered by the society. Here parents or the society will push the women to pursue their career, and until and unless their career is made, they won't ask you or they won't force you to settle down with some man. We have great skin, we have really good place, we eat really healthy food, breathe healthy, good fresh air, our water is clean, our dressing sense is good. क्या चाहिए आपको? Our civic sense is good. Is this all the reason that you guys are jealous of, and this is coming out of the jealousy, the hatred is coming out of the jealousy? Despite all of it, we never misbehave with anybody. और वीडियो में बोलते हो औकात क्या है, ये पॉलिटिशियन का बेटा है, एजुकेटेड है हम, तुम लोग जैसे गवार नहीं है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट पीपल आर शिट, ये वो. भाई इतने एजुकेटेड हो देन please educate yourself. This is not the education. I think if you are calling us gawar, I think we are much more aware and educated than you guys. यहाँ पे you ask any class 2-3 का बच्चा also, they can tell you the capital of any state. They can tell you how many states are there, how many union territories are there in India. आपको पूछो इंडिया में कितने जगह है, आपको वो भी नहीं मालूम होगा. आपको पूछो केरला का कैपिटल क्या है, आप बोलोगे जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. ऐसा है आप लोग का नॉलेज. एजुकेटेड के नाम पे कुछ है तो नहीं, बस दिखावा करने आ जाते हो हर चीज़ में. I am 25 now, and from the time I was born, I have been hearing all this racial discrimination thing, and because of that, our parents get worried to send their children to outside of Northeast. कि बेचारा हमारा बच्चा जाके कैसे सर्वाइव करेगा? You know, parents from here send their kids to study or to go out to, you know, work somewhere, etc, etc, with lot of hopes, and you know what they get in return? Maybe their children get killed outside, they get their dead bodies in return. Why? Just because we look different, just because we speak little differently, just because we dress differently. India is a diverse country. It has many different facial features, different cultures, different languages, and honestly, this is the beauty of India. I don't get it why people are not able to understand this very small thing. बचपन से हम पढ़ते आ रहे हैं unity in diversity, but where is the unity? Diversity है, but people are fighting because of this diversity. There is no unity. People are just pulling each other down. अगर सेम ही जगह में हम जाके बोल दे कि या आई कम फ्रॉम कोरिया, चाइना, जापान, people will be like, oh, I want a picture. But when you hear that this person is from Northeast India, suddenly you look down on us. What is this hypocrisy? Northeast has very high rate of literacy rate. In every year, in Olympics game, in Asian games, or any international platform, Northeast people are there to represent our country. तब जाके everybody is like Northeast. उसके पहले you don't even recognize, you don't even consider this as part of the country. Or even if you consider, it's like आप लोगों के लिए शर्मिंदा का बात है कि Northeast is part of India. These days, because of social media, everything is very easy. People sitting here would know what's going on the other corner of the earth, and honestly, this is a very good thing. I don't get it why people don't utilize this opportunity. Everyone has phone and internet on today's world, so educate yourself. मान लिया स्कूल में पढ़ा नहीं होगा, स्कूल में पढ़ के भी भूल गए होगे, एग्जाम फेल किया होगा, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, वट एवर हैपन, मे बी स्कूल में पढ़ाते नहीं होंगे, वो तो एजुकेटेड गवार्स हो, एजुकेटेड होके भी दिख रहा है कि कितने एजुकेटेड हो, नहीं पढ़े, नहीं याद है, देन यू हैव ऑल द एक्सेस इन द वर्ल्ड, ऑल द सोर्सेज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. गो लुक अप इंडियाज मैप, देख लो इंडिया का मैप, हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स आर देयर, जैसे दिमाग में डाल लो. I've seen this couple got arrested yesterday, and I hope and I pray that this arrest was just not a temporary one and not just for formalities. I really hope and I wish that they actually get punished, and according to the rules they should get a jail of 5 years. So I'm just praying that they should get an imprisonment of 5 years as per the law. And if you have seen, even after like everything from their part, they are saying that the girls have started the fight first. They have said many things about Delhi people, North Indian people first, and that's why we started saying things about them. And this woman was saying that these girls were attacking her husband. So as a wife, how could I sit down silently and listen to all of this? Because they were saying, they were calling us names and all. Really auntie, गंदी गालियाँ दे रही थी, जाति में, हिंदी में ही गालियाँ दे रही थी. Then I think auntie, if you have made up the story, then you should have done some research, because northeastern people have already very weak Hindi. उनको हिंदी में गाली आती भी नहीं है, वो लोग क्या गालियाँ देंगे आपको? हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा साला, बाल, केला ये बोल सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा क्या बोलेंगे?